What's up, guys? Join me as I tackle the challenges of staying motivated while my channel feels like it's stuck in a rut. Guys, staying motivated on YouTube, it can be tough, especially when it feels like your channel isn't growing as fast as you want it to. Well, in 2024, with the algorithm changing all the time, it's easy to get discouraged and feel like you're not making any progress. When your channel isn't growing, it's easy to feel frustrated, disappointed, and even a little defeated. You start questioning your content, your strategy, and even your own abilities. You might wonder if you're not just cut out for this whole YouTube thing. You might feel like you're putting in so much effort, but getting zero results. I'll be honest, it's normal to feel this way. And trust me, I've been there before too. It's like you're pouring your heart and your soul into creating content, promoting it, and engaging with your audience. And somehow, it's just not translating to growth. It's like, what's the point of all this hard work, right? Is it even worth it? But here's the thing. Those feelings of frustration and discouragement are exactly what can hold you back from achieving your goals. When you let those emotions take over, you start to lose focus, you start to doubt yourself, and you start to give up. And that's exactly what you cannot afford to do. When it comes to staying motivated, it's about finding ways to keep that fire burning inside you. For me, it's about setting personal goals that have nothing to do with growth or metrics. It's about creating content that I'm proud of, content that resonates with my audience, and content that makes a difference in people's lives. I also focus on the quality of my content rather than the quantity. Instead of trying to pump out video after video after video, I focus on creating high quality content that's engaging, informative, and entertaining. And guess what? That approach has helped me build a loyal community of viewers who appreciate my work. Another thing that keeps me motivated is engaging with my audience. I love hearing from you guys, responding to your comments, and learning more about what you want to see from my channel. When I feel connected to my audience, I feel more motivated to keep creating content that I know that you guys will love. For me, staying motivated is also about celebrating the small wins. It's not always about hitting 1 million subscribers or getting a certain number of views. It's about celebrating the little victories, like when someone tells me that my video helped them in some way. I remember when I first started creating content, I was so focused on growth that I forgot my why I started doing this in the first place. I was so focused on the numbers that I lost sight of my passion, my purpose, and my why. But one day, I received a message from this viewer who told me that my video had helped them overcome a difficult time in their life. And in that moment, everything changed for me. I realized that my content wasn't just about views or subscribers. It was about making a difference in people's lives. And that realization gave me motivation. The motivation I needed to keep going, even when the growth was slow. So, to sum it all up, guys, staying motivated on YouTube, it requires a shift in mindset. It requires you to focus on what truly matters, like creating high quality content, engaging with your audience, and celebrating those small wins. It requires you, of all people, to find your why, your purpose, and your passion. And most importantly, it requires you to persevere, even when the growth is slow. Because the truth is, growth is not always linear. It's not always easy, but it's worth it. So if you're feeling discouraged, frustrated, or even defeated, I want you to know that you are not by yourself. We've all been there, and we'll all be there again. But what matters is how you respond. How you respond to those feelings. Will you let them hold you back? Or will you use it as the fuel to keep moving forward? As always, guys, thanks for watching. If you want to share your own experience with staying motivated on YouTube, please leave a comment below. And if you want more tips on content creation, be sure to check out my next video. Until then, guys, thanks for watching. Peace.